go and flip to page 17. It could be the functional building costs. So let's say you've got that, and if you look at the screen, you see you have this old kind of weathered, beautiful barn that's out there, right? And if it's in a flood zone and the flood comes through, as much as that barn is beautiful, they're probably not going to go through and replace it with something that's exactly like that barn, right? That would be incredibly expensive for them to do. What they're going to do is go out and get like a steel building or something that has the same function, right? It depends on what are you using that barn for. If you're just housing your tractor in there, well, you can get something else that'll be less costly to replace it with, and that's perfectly fine. And you would just document that that's the logic here, and this is the amount that we have for that functional building cost assessment. Or it could be we're not replacing that building. If the flood comes through and damages that building, we are not replacing it. And if that's the case, well, you still might just say, okay, well, we still are going to have to go through and demolish that building and take it down and haul it away. So there could be that demolition or removal cost, or maybe you're just going to burn that thing down and and then come through and with a skidder and basically take out all of the foundation, and that could be a pretty cheap amount compared to the cost of the building. If that's what the plan is, you just may need to make sure that you're documenting that.